Sejin here. Can ChatGPT take my simple logo sketch and generate it into a professional looking logo? Let's jump right in and find out. I wanted to create a logo for a project called EcoBot, an AI robot that promotes environmental sustainability. So, the plan is to sketch out the design I have in mind and have ChatGPT convert it into a professional looking logo. I don't know about you, but sometimes I just like to draw up my ideas on paper and see what it looks like. Done. How does it look? Let me take a picture of it. Now let's open up ChatGPT. Make sure it's on default ChatGPT 4. I'm going to upload my sketch and prompt it with, describe the image in full detail in one paragraph. I noticed that having the description in one paragraph works better when generating an image. Great. Now highlight the description and copy it. Okay, are you ready for the fun part? Now start a new chat and open up DALL-E 3. So if you don't have DALL-E 3 yet, it's not a problem. You can do the same on bing.com/create. Click on the link that's popping up on top if you want the full tutorial. Since this is a logo, I'm going to prompt DALL-E with create a logo with a white background using the following details, and paste in the details that I copied from ChatGPT 4 and hit enter. Wow, the logos came out exactly as I pictured it in my head and on my first try. I'm going to use this one. But wait, there's more. What if I change the style of this logo? Here's a logo in a vibrant multicolor style. Here's a hyper-realistic style. Here's an isometric style. And make sure to watch this.